grand. It must have been sent from above. I know you'll stay this way for all. And we both knew that and so on. You get the idea. Well, how did they pluck us over Sore Fingers again with you with an interesting lesson from a band called Atlantic Star, and the song's called Always. So standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Atlantic Star. What you heard there was the intro, a couple of verses and the chorus, and that's basically all that's in the song. You just repeat more verses and choruses, okay? So let's get to it. So the intro starts off with this little mini riff. Very simple, open 4th string to the 2nd fret, hammer, and you do the same on the 3rd string. So open 3rd, hammer into the 2nd on the 3rd. Sorry. Okay. Then we're going into a partial G chord. So if you imagine an F-shape G chord, 3rd fret, I'm just playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, okay? So you don't need to bar the top 2 strings, you just those 3. So now you've got... Then you hit the 2nd string another couple of times. So you got... Then you played the 3rd string. Now you got... Then we changed the shape to an A minor type shape, okay, and it's a partial G major 7. So this finger is on the 3rd fret of the 2nd, 1st finger, and the other 2 fingers are on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and the 4th string is just like an A minor shape. Again, you only play 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so now you've got... And then just strum a little bit more on those 3 strings. Then we change it to a G7 by keeping the 3rd finger where it is on the 4th fret of the 3rd string and just doing that, barring the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with your 1st finger, and you play the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings again. Okay, so now you've got... sort of strum, mini pause, strum again. Okay, so just do it again slowly. Okay, here we go. That's 1st fret of the 2nd string, to open, and again. So you do it twice. Then you play the 3rd string open, so you go, and then a C chord. So now we've got, so far so good, hopefully. Then we change it to an A minor 7th, just take the 3rd finger off, leave these 2 where they are. 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 2nd, you've got an A minor 7th, okay? So, and then just sort of, basically again, those 3, 4th, 3 and 2 again, sort of da da da, three sort of strokes. You can, if you hit the A string as well, 5th string doesn't matter too much. Okay, just 3 downstrokes. So now you've got... Then what you do is you hammer the open 3rd string up to the 2nd fret. So you've got that 3rd finger there ready for that. Right? Then you hit the 4th string on the 2nd fret. Then the open 4th. So it's... Okay, got that. And then we do this D7 sus2 chord, first fret of the second string, so you can keep that there from the A minor, that's fine. So it's keeping that first finger there on that first fret of the second. Put your second finger on the second fret of the third string, okay? And then you can go 5, it's like a D7 sus2 with A in the bass. Put the A string open, just a single strum on it will do, and then two strums on a G, okay? So the whole thing, slowly. And then you just repeat the whole thing. Okay, I'm tending to play a 4-fingered G there, so it don't have to. Simple G is fine, but I do like sometimes to double up on the third fret of the second string as well. Okay, it's up to you. Anyway, so that's the intro, and so you play that twice, that whole thing through twice. Okay, then it goes into the verse, and the way I play the verse is it's a slightly simplified version, because otherwise there's lots of quite difficult chord shapes. So G, girl, girl you are to me, and that changes to a G major 7th. So I've got a 4-fingered G, okay? Da, 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 da. So all you do now is you keep the second finger and the third finger where they are, third on the bottom E and third on the second string. So da, 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 da. Take the pinky away and put your first finger down on the second fret of the top E string. Okay, so that should girl you are to me. Okay, then what you do is you hit the bottom E string and take it off. So and move this first finger down to the first fret on the top E string, keeping the third finger on the third fret of the second. So you go from that G major 7th to that, and I'm just hitting basically the top 4 strings. Okay, if you want to, you can keep that third finger there, but sometimes that will be a bit awkward for some people. So you can go from G to G major 7, keeping with those 2 fingers where they are. You can just move that first finger down to the first fret, but that sometimes for some people is going to be tricky. So what I would suggest you do, G major 7, as I've shown you, hit that bottom E string, take it off, and then just move that first finger down and play the top 4 strings. So you've got girl you are to me, oh, so just playing those top 4 strings. All a woman should be, to a C chord. Okay, so it's girl you are to me, all that a woman should be. Okay, got that to the C. Then we stay on the C. Dedicate my life is A minor 7th. All you do is remove that third finger, open up the 5th string. It's an A minor 7th. So now you've got girl you are to me, oh that you should be. Dedicate my A minor 7th to you is that D7 sus2 again with A in the bass. That you did in the intro, keeping the first finger on the first fret of the second, add your second finger to the second on the third, open A string, open 4th string, all the way down, open top E string, and back to the G. So the whole verse slowly, girl you are to me, all that a woman should be. say there to get A minor 7, D7 sus 2. Repeat. Love like yours is grand. It must have been sent from above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. So you got that? Hope so. Then we go into the pre-chorus, and we both know. That's C major 7. That's a C chord, but I'm playing it with G in the bass. So imagine it's like a C chord, but with the third finger up on the 3rd fret of the bottom E string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and take your 1st finger off. So it's just those 3 fingers. 2nd on the 4th, 3rd on the 5th, and 3rd on the 6th. All the other strings are open. C major 7 with G in the bass there, okay? So, we both know to a B minor 7. That's a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret with pinky off, okay? If you can't play the bar chord, just play a B minor. A simple B minor would suffice, okay, 4 down to 1. But a B minor 7th is the nicest chord to play. Okay, so C major 7. We both know. Back to C major 7. Back to B minor 7. Now we've got a little build up. A minor 7th, that's a A minor with the 3rd finger off. B minor 7th to C minor 7th, or 3rd fret bar chord, minor shape, pinky off. Say A minor 7th, B minor 7th, C minor 7th. That's and forever. Okay. Again, if you can't manage the bar chord, just play the minors. So it's and forever. Okay, like that. Simple minor shape would suffice if you can't do the bar. Okay, so from the beginning of the pre-chorus, and we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be is a flat major 7. Okay, so I'll show you that. So that's a diagonal chord starting on the 3rd fret of the top E string, 1st finger, 2nd string on the 4th fret with the 2nd finger, 3rd string on the 5th fret with the 3rd finger, and 4th string on the 6th fret with your pinky. 4 down to 1. Not playing the 5th string, I'm not playing the 6th string. Okay, so it goes. Goes into that, quite a quick change I suppose, so it goes, now let's get that far, so from the beginning of the pre-chorus, and that I will go, and forever it will be. Okay, if you can't play that shape, just play an A flat chord, an F shape on the 4th fret, 4 down to 1. Okay, instead of the A flat major 7. Okay, so we go. And forever it will be. Go up to that shape instead of the major 7. Just do the major. Okay. The next chord is another chord. This is D7 sus 4, okay, so it's like a D7, well it's like that D7 sus 2 that we were playing earlier, just those 2 fingers, but add your pinky to the top E string on the 3rd fret, D7 sus 4, this one was D7 sus 2, okay, so from the beginning of this pre-chorus, and forever on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to D7. 1, 2, just 2 beats on that. I think it is a. Hang on, just a check. Yeah, just 2 beats on that one, and then you do a quick C to D. Single beat, single stroke on each chord. C, D, and then you're back into another verse again. That sort of thing again. Repeats another verse, another 2 verses, another chorus, etc. You know, same as basically another lot what we've already played. Okay, so let's just go the whole thing all the way through, shall we? Just for fun. Right, so. Been seen from above, and I know that you'll stay this way Well, there you have it, boys and girls. My take for a single guitar of Always by Atlantic Starr. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.